everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing my Louis Vuitton ALMA BB and my YSL LOULOU handbag. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Carla, and on this channel, I share ideas on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If these kinds of things interest you, then please subscribe down below. Okay guys, so like I mentioned, I'm going to be comparing my Louis Vuitton ALMA BB and my YSL or Saint Laurent LOULOU handbag. I'm at the end of it going to mention or let you guys know which handbag I prefer. And I will say that if you see me looking down, it's only because I just have some notes right in front of me. So here are both bags that I am going to be comparing. Let's start off with the Saint Laurent LOULOU handbag. So this handbag, as you can see, is in this beautiful charcoal gray color with the beautiful gold hardware. So the dimensions of this bag is that it's 9.8 inches long, it's 6.6 inches high, and it's 3.5 inches wide, which is this area right here. The price of this YSL or Saint Laurent handbag is $1,950 US. Just to share some of the details of the bag, this bag is in leather. It has this snap, which is a really tight snapped closure, which is a really good thing. This bag, if you can tell, has double pockets, and it's kind of cut off or divided by this zippered pocket area right here, which I find to be very convenient. It also has this little back pocket area right here. The interior is lined, however, it does have leathered trim, the same exact leather as the rest of the bag has. This bag has this gold chain handle right here, which is pretty long, so you can use it as a shoulder strap bag. You can use it regular like this, like a shorter shoulder strap bag, and because of the length, once again, you can use it as a crossbody bag. I'm showing you guys just the quick details on this bag. I do have a full review on this bag where I show you photos with me having this bag on, showing you with it as a crossbody and all of that. So this is a very short detail of the bag because it's more of a comparison. Let's just talk about Saint Laurent's return policy and customer service overall. So I did purchase this handbag in store, and in the store, once you purchase this handbag, you cannot return it. So you will not get your money back. You can, however, bring it back and exchange it for another item. However, once again, you cannot return this bag. However, if you purchase a Saint Laurent handbag on the website, you can return it. So I would check out the policy, the return policy on the website, but you can return it. You just have to return everything that comes with the bag. Okay, and that is the YSL or Saint Laurent handbag. Now on to my Louis Vuitton ALMA BB handbag. So this handbag currently in the United States retails for $1,340. This handbag, as you can see, unlike the Saint Laurent LOULOU handbag, is in canvas. The dimensions of this bag is 9.25 inches in length. It is 6.89 inches high. And then as far as the width, it is 4.7 inches. This handbag comes with the top handle right here, so you can use it top handled. It comes with the foot protectors or the foot legs, so it protects your bag if you go to put it down. It has this beautiful gold detail right here, and like I mentioned, it is a canvas bag. This is the Damier Ebene canvas, and one thing with canvas is that it's easy to wipe down. This bag does come with a strap. It's a pretty long strap, so it allows you to wear this bag crossbody as well. You can wear it as a shoulder bag, which In this case, this strap is so long that as a shoulder bag, for me, myself, who's 5'4", it does hit to like my mid-thigh area. So for me, that is kind of long. So I preferably use this crossbody, or at times I will use it top handle, but as a shoulder bag, I do not use it that way. This is the interior, which is one of the reasons why I purchased this bag. So unlike the YSL Saint Laurent LOULOU bag, this is just one open area in here. As you can see, the LOULOU handbag had the divider. This one does not. However, it does have this back pocket right here, just in case you wanted to separate it. I myself just put my money and my cards in here so that it's easy to access. And you can also purchase an organizer for this bag if you're not someone who likes this open area, which can be a con for some, just having just an open area like this. Some people like organized bags, so like I said, you can just purchase an organizer. So like I said, this is a zip closure, which unlike the LOULOU handbag, that one was a snap closure or magnetic closure. This one is a zipper closure. Okay, and let's now talk about the Louis Vuitton customer service. So with this bag, you can use it, you can do whatever you want with it for 30 days and you can bring the handbag back. So whether you purchase it online, in store, doesn't matter, you can bring the handbag back, which unlike the LOULOU handbag, which I mentioned at the Saint Laurent store, it said on the receipt that you cannot return the handbag. With Louis Vuitton, you can. Okay, so let's just quickly summarize these handbags. So this one, Saint Laurent, Louis Vuitton, pretty much the same sizes for the most part. This one is leather. This one is canvas. This one has a divider in the inside with a back pocket. This one does not. It's just one open area with a back pocket as well. This handbag, the Saint Laurent, $1,950 US. The Louis Vuitton ALMA BB, $1,320 US. The Saint Laurent handbag has a strong magnetic closure. The Louis Vuitton ALMA BB is a zipper closure. This one, the Louis Vuitton, has the foot legs that protects the bag. The Saint Laurent does not. It's just plain on the bottom. So if you're putting your bag down, it just rests on the floor, however you want to put it. The Louis Vuitton ALMA BB return policy, you can return it, you can exchange it if you wanted to, if you did not like the handbag. The Saint Laurent handbag, read your receipt. Some stores, like the store that I went to in Las Vegas, does not allow returns. You can only exchange the bag. However, if you purchase it online, you do have 30 days to return the handbag. The Louis Vuitton ALMA BB, as you see right here, has the top handles, so it can be worn top handled. It has straps, so you can wear it shoulder, you can wear it crossbody. The Saint Laurent handbag has long straps and you can also double them up, so you can use it as a shorter shoulder bag, a long shoulder bag, crossbody. However, because of the way the straps are, you cannot use this as a top handle bag. Well, I'm sure you can figure out a way to keep the straps in, but for the most part, it does not have the top handles like this bag does. So you cannot use it, or it's not intended to be used as a top handled handbag. And now to share which one is my favorite, which one I currently prefer, and it is the Saint Laurent LOULOU bag. And the reasoning for this is, yes, I know there are cons to it. I know you can't return it. It doesn't have the protection on the bottom like the ALMA BB does. However, I just find myself reaching for this bag more often than I do the Alma BB. And I think the reason why I don't reach for the Alma BB as much is because of the print on it, or that it's canvas. I feel like with canvas, it gives a more casual look, and I don't always want a casual look. However, with this handbag, I can wear it so many ways, and because of the leather, or the leather itself allows you to do that. It can be worn, like I said, so many ways, whereas I feel like with the canvas, I'm just limited. I will mention too, if you're looking for a handbag as far as investment goes, Saint Laurent handbags don't necessarily go up in price. They're not necessarily investment pieces. However, a Louis Vuitton handbag, like the Alma BB, these bags go up in price. So essentially, they are investment pieces. You are going to get a great amount of your money back, if not more, if you go to resell your handbag. This bag, not so much. However, that's not why I purchased this handbag. I purchased this handbag more for use, and I find myself using this handbag more. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any tips, do you prefer the LOULOU handbag? Do you prefer the Alma BB? Let me know in the comment section down below. Now for the word of the day. So the word of the day is self-care. Guys, we need to take care of ourselves. How can we take care of others if we're not caring for ourselves? We matter. It's okay sometimes to be selfish. Being selfish isn't always a bad thing. Take care of yourself mentally, take care of yourself physically, and take care of yourself emotionally. Be kind to yourself. Hope you guys are enjoying these word of the days. If you are, please let me know in the comment section down below. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Walk in peace and joy. Until next time.